How to permanently delete files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. You can view all your folders over here. Tap to open any folder. Now, press and hold the file you want to delete from here. Tap on Delete at the bottom. Now, go back to the Browse page as shown. Here, go to Recently Deleted. You will find all your recently deleted files over here. Press and hold the file you just deleted. Then, tap on Delete Now. Tap on Delete to confirm. You have now permanently deleted this file. Following these steps, you can permanently delete files on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.